Hey guys, this is Dan with LED for RV and Tryout RV Parts. So I'm going to do a short video about a product that's very popular and has been for quite some time on a lot of RVs, and that's this eyeball light. And incidentally, the reason why this is called an eyeball light is because if you look at it from the side, it's kind of shaped round and it swivels like your eyeball would. So anyway, and that's basically the reason why, if you never knew why. And so but basically what I want to cover here is replacing the bulb. Now you see it comes with the incandescent bulb, and if you want to take it out, you just twist and turn, and that's pretty easy. When it comes time to go back with it, it's not necessarily so easy. And so the thing that I suggest people to do is, this thing is spring loaded, and you can see the spring as I pull on it. And basically what you really want to do is just kind of grab it with a couple of your fingers, and then you're able to get it. And of course I'm going to kind of lean forward and use gravity in this case, and twist and turn. And so anyway, but most of the time how I'm being asked about this is I have an LED replacement that goes into this, and these, like I said, have been used on many RVs for many years, so there's a good chance that you have one that's still in good shape. The switch is in good shape and works good. So if you want to convert it so that you can sit and read a book without having to feel the heat from that extremely warm incandescent bulb, then essentially replacing it, and of course with the LED, now you to get to this, the back of it, you'll need to take the screws out. And you may think that's a bit of a problem, but if you're wanting to convert it over, or if your light bulb burns out and you're wanting to replace that bulb, you might find this a whole lot easier just to take those two screws out, drop the light, be able to get to the back of the light with with that wire, and pull the spring out and put the light bulb in. So anyway, thank you for taking time to watch the video, and also if you got any other questions or comments, please let me know. Thank you.